In this video, we will learn how to use Datedif function in Excel. The Datedif function calculates the difference between the two dates, which can be very useful for finding out the number of days, month or year between the dates. So let's get started. To use the Datedif function, click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Let's start by calculating the number of days between the two dates. So enter the is equal to and write the dative in bracket. Select the start date, use the comma. Select the end date, use the comma. Then type D to indicate that you want to difference in days. So I used the D in double quote and bracket close and just enter. And you will see the number of days between the two dates. Next, here I next let's calculate the number of months between the two dates. So click on the another cell and types is equal to dateif in bracket. Select the start date, use the comma. Select the end date, use the comma. In double quote, enter the am and bracket close and just enter. So here you will see the number of months between the two dates. So you can also calculate the number of year between the dates. Click on the another cell and type is equal to date if in bracket. Select the start date, use the comma. Select the end date, use the comma. Then in double quote, enter the Y in double quote, bracket close and enter. So you will see the number of years between the two dates. So here we see the days difference between the two days is 366. Months difference between the two date 12 month, and years difference is a 1 year. So 2020 to 21 is a 1 year. Now here we see in YM and MD the dative function is a versatile, can provide a more specific difference. For example, if you want to calculate the number of complete months between the dates while ignoring the years, use the YM. It means we want the difference between the month only, but ignoring the years. So here in first date month is a 01, okay, means January, and here also in end date also 01 means January. So what is the difference between the two months? Is 0, right? So here I enter the formula is equal to dative, okay, in bracket. Select the start date, use the comma. Select the end date, use the comma. In double quote, use the YM double quote and bracket close and just enter. So here you see the 0 difference between the 2 months, ignoring the years. Here not considering the years. Therefore is a difference of the 2 months is a 0. But when I drag this formula below this cell, here the difference between the 2 months is 3. Means here the in first date month is a May, in end date is a month is a August. So May to August is a difference the 3 month. I'm ignoring the year, not consider here the year. So hope understand this. Next, similarly, to calculate the number of complete days after the last month, use MD. The formula would be select the cell is equal to dative in bracket, select the first start date, use the comma, select the end date, use the comma, in double quote enter the MD and bracket close and just enter. Sorry, I use here again double quote, I miss here, again use the double quote and bracket close and enter. Here you see the complete days also 0 because here the day 0 1 and here the day 0 1 is the same. They not difference anything between the start date day or end date day. Okay, but when I drag this formula below this cell, so here you see the 5 days between the 15 day and 20 in day, days difference here showing, okay, is 5. So hope you understand this also. And there you have it, you now know how to use Datedif function in Excel to calculate the difference between the two dates in days, month and year. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and thank you so much.